The Certified Agile Facilitator training illustrates a facilitator's day-to-day tasks, such as leading workshops and meetings, along with agile ceremonies like daily stand-ups, retrospectives, and sprint planning. To enroll in CAF Certification with Simpliaxis, visit our website, select a training batch that suits your schedule, and fill out the registration form. Once payment is confirmed, you will receive a welcome email with all the details. Simpliaxis offers both online and in-person training options at various locations across the globe. Throughout the training, you'll learn how to foster a neutral mindset necessary to facilitate discussions, strengthen cooperation among team members, and guide them through disagreements. Participate actively in workshops and discussions while completing assignments on time. This will demonstrate your knowledge to the trainer. We offer convenient online payment options via credit cards, debit cards, or bank transfers. If you register early, you can take advantage of our special discounts. CAF training improves career opportunities, increases earning potential, and validates your facilitation skills in a Scrum-based environment. This certification is valuable for both technical and non-technical professionals, with roles available in diverse industries like IT, healthcare, finance, and more. Take the next step in your career and advance your skills with the CAF certification. Visit the Simpliaxis website today and enroll in our world-class training program.